Hi all, welcome to another episode of the Green Balcony. Today I will give you a tour of, or an update of what's happening with our green balcony, etc. We're going to be making chili sauce, and I just wanted to show you these MIU mixing bowls that Adrian picked up for me yesterday at Costco. I want to try and get rid of all of my plastic bowls. These were $59.99, reduced down to $48.99. They're stainless steel. The sizes you have are 1.4 litre, 3 litre, 5 litre, 7.6 litre, 4 lids and 3 grater attachments. So I'm keen to get into these. Should be exciting. This is all of our ingredients for our chili sauce. We were gifted 4 bags of chilies, which I'm thawing out at the moment. They've been in the freezer. So come along the journey today, and I will come back to you after the unboxing of the stainless steel bowls and when we're ready to get into the chili making sauce after I show you the update of my balcony. So here are the Costco stainless steel bowls that have been unpacked, and they are immaculate. Inside you've got your measuring labels, so that is awesome. That's the 2.5 litre. This little one here, this one has all your grates in it. That's the 1 litre with a nice lid on top. That's all packed down beautifully. Then you have your separate lids here for each one. This one here is the one that you use for the grater, and this pops in there. You screw that in there. Oh, there's a fly flying around me. Yeah, so that all folds up nicely. Obviously, I haven't done it properly there, but it all folds up nicely. And for $48.99, who doesn't love a good bargain? And this was an absolute bargain, and goodbye to all my plastic bowls. Alrighty, so we're in our laundry, and I kid you not, this is my white onion, and I planted these last Saturday. So I bought these 3 from a website which everybody says not to, from Temu, T-E-M-U, and it actually has these 2 lids. They have little grow lights in them, and I've just been switching them around. These are tomatoes, and they've been here for a week, and these seedlings came out of a tomato from my fridge. So I wanted to see how that went, and hopefully I'll leave them in there for a little bit longer until they get a little bit stronger. And I'm dying to see if they actually flower and fruit. In this one here, this side is carrots and this side is brown onion. So I'm actually wrapped with these little things that they're growing, and they were only about $5 each. So I've got it plugged in, and it just powers from a USB, and I turn it on over night time, but I'm wrapped with it. I'll just head on out to our bedroom balcony. Alrighty, so this is my cucumber plant. Look, it goes well, and then it doesn't. It's got a couple of ants on it. I did spray for pests yesterday. I don't know whether you can see that cucumber there. There's cucumbers there, but they seem to sprout, and then see that one there? They grow and then they seem to die off. So I'm really not sure what's going on. There's another little one. I'm wondering if the birds might be getting them and I might have to cover them for night time. Look at this. This is amazing. So I've still got my capsicum plant there. This tomato plant has tomatoes on it and it's still flowering. This sad looking one I'm going to get rid of today. This one I chopped back last week and it's still growing. I need to actually lift the lid on these because a lot of the tomato plants are flowering, and I think I'm going to take this down and just cover them with nets. I have chili. This is corn. I was a bit skeptical whether the corn would actually grow, but we have corn growing as per request from my younger son. Rosemary. These are the small capsicums. They're like sweet tasters. Oh, my hair's stuck on the Velcro. Habanero, tomato. These are all planted from seed. Chili, habanero, eggplant, and this big healthy tomato one which is taking off. So this one is starting to flower. Adrian wanted to cut the top off, but I'm a little bit reluctant. This chili plant, this is a bird's eye, and the chilies are going off. So I think this greenhouse needs to come down today and we'll just cover it with netting. It's a nice day here up where we live in the northern rivers of New South Wales. A couple of clouds in the sky, but that's about it. I'll just take you over to... I bought this plant yesterday. It's a habanero chili and it is starting to flower. I wanted to buy something a little bit established. These are my potatoes. I'm so happy with that. I'm waiting on another potato bag to grow because I do have potatoes in the fridge that I can grow from. Now, this was half filled with soil yesterday. As the plant keeps growing up, we're going to fill it to soil, fill the top up with soil, because your potatoes, they can grow down, they can grow up, they can grow sideways, so that's a good thing. Down here, sorry it's such a mess. These chilies here are Kaisan, hot, very hot. I've got 4 growing, that's flowering. These ones are firecracker chilies, and they are big fatties. The front one here is Africa, so that's full of chilies, and we actually have some chilies here that are starting to turn red, which is great. I actually keep them covered at night time with nets because we have been getting some big grasshoppers up here, and I did buy pest spray yesterday for all that. These are my carrots. Another couple of weeks I will transfer them into a big pot out the front. Pak choy, which is going well. My bean plants, this one was actually cut in half last week, but I just left it and it seems to have come good. This is my other dwarf bean plant and that's going great as well. Underneath here, oops, I nearly killed the bean plant then. These were planted from my indoor greenhouse in the laundry. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that survived out of about 15. So I need to clear out the ones that haven't survived. Tomato, 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 they seem to be going well. I can't remember what that one was, but yeah, I need to clear all these out and replant because I'm not sure whether the weather, it's been pretty windy, what's happened with them, but I'll nurture the ones that are growing. Does need a bit of a clean up out here. This afternoon we will harvest this lettuce. I still have the Carolina Reaper growing down here, but it seems to have stunted. I don't know what's going on there. Not sure. Just back inside here, in my little wool grow cubes. These were planted last week. I have 2 types of lettuce, calendula flowers, I have pansies growing, dill, the parsley hasn't taken off, thyme has, basil, beetroot, and the carrots haven't really taken off. So considering the amount in there, I'm pretty happy with that. So we'll close that back up. Back over here, the little salad table for inside. I have my rosemary plant going at the back. This is watercress, and I planted these 2 days ago, and I have sprouts of silver beet already. So what we're going to do is get into chopping all, or peeling all the garlic, the onions, chopping the tops off the chilies, and then we'll make the chili sauce. So I'll go ahead and do all the chopping and I will come back to you. Just while I'm doing the garlic, I actually buy from Coles the individual garlic cloves because I like to sort of inspect each one, because I have bought this these cloves prior, and I've found that some of them have been moldy or rotten inside. So it's, my best interest to, I want the best products in my chili sauces because we do gift them, and I don't want to put rotten things when we're gifting them to people. So keep an eye out for that in the future. Okay, so I've done the onion, I've done the garlic, and now I'm doing the chili. This little machine, it's a chopper, and I got from Kmart, and it was about $7. And this is, you just put it all in, put your lid on, twist it, and then it does everything for you. I'm actually in the process of looking for a decent blender that doesn't make it smooth, it does a pulse, etc. So if you have any recommendations, pop them in the comments down below. Thanks. It smells amazing. This chili sauce is going to light your pants on fire. So what you do, you've got a chopper, just put that in there like so. Chili is flying out. And just pop your chilies in, or whatever it is you want to chop up. This is one of the best inventions ever. I think what I've done when I've been chopping, I've mistakenly, because there's some heads in here, I have thrown the heads in with the chili and the chilies in with the composting. But that's okay. So not too full. Just pop that on like so. Hold it firmly. Oh, actually it's not. Yep, it's not. You just got to make sure that you get it in the center. And then it hasn't done it again. Luna. So we are cooking. It has to cook for about 30 minutes on a simmer. I've actually made this one a little bit thicker because I've had a few people saying that it would be really good as a pizza sauce. So I'm actually going to give it a little taste test. I'm going to make sure I get some chili and a couple of seeds in it. As you can see, there's chili, there's seeds in there. That is amazing. But that has got a kick and a half to it. So, yeah, whoever we're going to give this to, they are going to love this chili. Speaking of the hot chilies, though, it is recommended if you have any type of heart condition that you shouldn't eat these hot chilies. And my husband Adrian does, so he can't have this. If I was going to make a pizza sauce for him, I'd use really mild chilies, which I think I'm going to. But this one, as I said, this one has a real kick to it. So I'll come back to you when we're jarring. And there we have it, nearly 4 litres of chili sauce. I did a little bit thicker this time as well, with the view that you could also use it as pizza sauce. So we've had a productive day with that. I've also made some breakfast burritos. I didn't film that as yet because I wanted to see what they were like, but next time I make them, we can do that together. So if you like this video, I welcome you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.